pack, 4-pack, not 6-pack, but 4-pack, 4-pack, 4-pack. And you can see my pack has turned into a minor keg. I'm a half a keg. Because I have not been working out like I should. But that was a change that was inevitable that I had to learn to adapt to, because with time, things change. But listen, there's some changes that God gives us the opportunity to accept and acknowledge that I need to make it on my own. And listen, in order for our conviction to go where God needs it to go, we cannot be rebellious, but we have to receive the change that's needed in order for us to get to the destination that he wants us to get. Y'all still give me the funny look. I pastor in San Francisco. I come across Fairfield Bridge at least once a week. My son lives in Fairfield. And one thing that I am upset about right now, I will start the campaign right now. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's fair that the bridge start going up again. Maybe y'all don't hear what I'm saying. I pass in San Francisco. I got to go across the bridge all the time. $4 going to $5. They should have just made it $5 a long time ago. I got a $5 bill in my pocket more than I got anything else. And I'm upset about the change. But listen, although I'm upset about the change, if I'm going to get to where God wants me to get, I got to suck it up, pay the toll, and understand that he's provided a bridge for me to get where I need to get. So instead of me complaining, instead of me criticizing, turn your neighbor and say, just pay the toll and thank God for the bridge. Because if I want to get where he needs me to get, I got to do the changing. Yes, sir. Go ahead. I'm going to say it and I'm going to leave it alone. But we can deal with change at our job. No complaint. Deal with change in our families. We can change friends and homies. But when we get to church, all that holiness we got, something happens when we hear the word change. Something starts happening. Don't think we shout and we just going in convulsions because we heard the word change. I got a little learning from my uncle. He told me instead of saying change, start saying update, son, update. And I learned that you can't stay with the 8-track. You had to go to the CD. And if we got to change from an 8-track to a CD, some things that worked in the past can't work